Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1951 Merc. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. A little bit of custom work on this, huh?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
It's a 4-inch chop, 54 Pontiac grill, 54 Chevy parking lights Frenched in the front fenders.
Yeah, you see how they're wrapped all the way around like that?
Desoto bumper, 50 Desoto bumper, rounded hood corners on the hood, electric windshield wipers, slanted door posts.
Yeah, most of these door posts are all straight.
Camaro subframe, all rebuilt, disc brakes, power steering.
Power disc brakes.
Air conditioning, aluminum gas tank, 4-core radiator.
How many gallon on the tank?
19 gallons on the aluminum gas tank. All the chrome has been put back around the windows, not cheated. It's got the rain guard still put on. That was hard to do.
Yeah.
And the Mercury rear 51 window in the back was put back because most of the guys put 49 and 50 because they can't get the angle the way this was.
Oh.
This is just like it was when it was new, the way the guy did it.
French tin tail lights.
French tail lights.
Those Thrush
10-bolt posi traction rear. Summit transmission with a 2,000 speed torque converter.
So 3-speed or 4-speed?
4-speed.
So it's a 700R?
No, just a regular Summit. It's I forgot what Summit's transmission was.
Turbo 400?
700Rs running around.
Oh, okay.
It's got Enki wheels in the front. Got a transmission cooler mounted in the frame.
Beautiful fitment of all the panels too.
Yeah.
Like this fitment right here is gorgeous. And I like the wind wings too. They actually are operational.
Okay.
Most of the time they just put glass in there, right?
Right, one piece.
Very cool. Gorgeous paint. What's the paint?
Candy apple red over gold base. It's
so that's what's
the urethane.
So that's why that gives it such a pop, the gold base.
Yeah, you can get it from that side.
Yeah, beautiful.
The sun's got you there. Yeah, maybe you'll get it.
Yeah, it's got some metallic in it too, right?
You get it before the sun goes back. Look at that. Look at that fender.
Yeah, that's pretty. Man, the sun really pops it, huh?
Yeah, don't miss that.
Cool.
French antenna.
Yeah, saw that. Very cool. All the chrome and stainless is gorgeous. You got Enkis up front. Pretty cool. Beautiful, beautiful straight body.
That sun now hitting it. Woo.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Original skirts from the factory, not aftermarket.
Mm-hmm. Man, it looks like it's going 100 miles an hour.
Look at it now, my friend.
Yeah, that's pretty. Very cool.
If you can get a picture of the side, the way the windshield flows with the trunk, the man who chopped it, you got to get that effect.
Yeah.
It's not sunk in the back window.
Oh, yeah. It's a little flattened out, too. Completely finished trunk.
The way he smoked it.
Yeah.
Real nice. This ain't in here and butchered up with metal.
Yeah, it's got a beautiful line to it.
Yeah, he did a good job, my friend.
You have door poppers, or?
Yeah,
Okay.
They're lazy. They're lazy. You know, they're 50 style.
Yeah.
Not the modern ones.
Beautiful, comfortable interior. Cadillac tilt Teli, right?
Yep, tilt telescopic.
Now, what's the miles on this?
Okay.
What do you got here?
The motor's got 19,000, and the first motor, the manufacturer, the rebuilt one had 19.
Okay.
So this motor's got 19,000 miles on it.
Okay.
And I've been to 38 states in it.
Wow, every single one of these, huh? Very cool. Custom stereo, air conditioning.
CB radio.
Oh, I like how you did the temp and the battery right there. Very cool. Vintage air?
Yeah. Yep.
Very comfortable in here. Plenty of headroom too. You pop the hood?
Sure.
So what do we got under the hood?
345 horsepower motor with a roller can, pink rods, aluminum heads, angle spark plugs.
350?
304. It's a ZZ1102. I got the paper. I'll give you the paper.
Okay. I like the speckle under here. Really nice.
Yeah, in the sun it really glows. The chassis was done like that. The nose of the
Oh, wow.
But it got dirty in Maine.
Okay.
The mud up there was horrible.
Oh, jeez. Regular manifolds. I see you smooth the firewall.
They're coated. What do you call that?
Powder coated.
They're powder coated. They're the 80s. They're from the 80s cars for the heat and all. You know,
okay.
I had Sanderson on the long one.
Yeah.
They get hot and the bolts come loose.
Flex fan,
Yep.
AC, power steering, power disc brakes.
1, 2, 3. Six blade fan.
6-blade fan.
6, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7-blade. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Can you fire it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, fired up a half a turn, right?
Yeah, see all the new rubber here?
Yep.
The whole car's been redone, just about. You know.
So you got
all
like
this shit in here.
the felts and everything are new?
Everything's new. Yeah.
Let me see the trunk.
Rubber here, rubber all there.
All the weather stripping. Very cool. Got a nice sound to it.
Right there.
Brake boosters back here. Very cool. And the battery's hidden back here too. Very cool. Awesome. Love it. How long have you owned this car?
1963.
1963?
Yeah, I bought it with the book.
Wow.
Off a Colombian man.
Wow.
$450. All gray.
Really?
And I used it to go back and forth to work. Then my wife used to use it when I wasn't home, and she scratched it up a little bit. And then I restored it to its original condition.
Wow.
It's inside the garage.
Oh, how cool.
There used to be a Cadillac Fireman's color.
Oh, okay. Like a dark red.
63. Or the Eldorados had this color years ago.
Yeah.
You don't remember, Todd.
No.
Young. Cadillac had this color many, many years ago. It was like a wine. I loved it, so I had this car painted that color. And then my friend said, Ralph, why don't you shop it? And I gave him the car like brand new.
Wow.
Everything was new on it. I sold all the Mercury stuff at McCungy.
Wow.
McCungy?
Yeah, years ago.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. So, WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.